Yo, Chris. Yo, what's good, bro? Yo, dog, I just want to let you know, man, like, I'm so glad that you were able to kind of make this transition. I've been waiting for this day to happen for so long. Like, I remember when, like, I was growing up in Jamaica, like, from what I can remember, like, your mom was, like, one of the nicest persons in the world, bro. Like, she was so nice to me, and, dog, I just want to let you know, like, whatever you need to make this transition to America, like, smoother for you, bro, like, I got you. This house, my crib, like, it's yours, bro. Like, the clothes on my back, bro. Like, the food on my plate, bro. It's all yours, bro. You can't get my wife. She's mine. But whatever else you need, dog, I got you. I put that on my mom's, bro. So, you're just gonna sit there all day and watch TV, huh? Bruh. Just gonna eat up all the food in the house, huh? Me and my wife been talking. And, when are you gonna get a job? When's that gonna happen? We're gonna need to start contributing to the house financially. I see you out there doing the lawn, all these things, bro. But that ain't paying the bills. Yo, Chris, wake up, bro. Wake up. We gotta talk real quick. Me and wifey, we were having like a little conversation and stuff. And you gotta go, bro. So I know I said a lot when you just came, and I meant every single word of it. Alright, but this ain't working out as I thought it would have worked out. So we made a decision, that's me and my wife, that you gotta go. Okay, why are you laying down? Bro, you gotta leave tonight. I already packed your suitcase with all your stuff outside. So yeah. And I called your mom's. She is livid, she's upset, she ain't happy. But it is what it is, dog. Welcome to America.